You are a project manager or you are on your way to becoming one. And right now, you probably feel one of two things: overwhelmed by everything the PMP exam demands of you, or stuck wondering what comes next after the certification. Either way, you are in the right place. Welcome to PMC Lounge, and we exist for one reason: to help project managers get certified and stay ahead. On this channel, you will find step-by-step PMP exam prep that cuts through the noise and tells you exactly what to focus on. You will find project management concepts explained the way they actually work in real world, not just how they read in a textbook. And you will find career strategies that go well beyond the exam, because the PMP credential is just the starting line, not the finishing line. Whether you're 60 days out from your PMP exam or 6 years into your project management career, there's something here that you are going to find for you. Hit subscribe, grab the free 50-day PMP study plan in the links below, and let's build a career you are proud of. PMC Lounge, get certified, stay ahead.